Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change the clip speed on Davinci Resolve 17. Here I have a sample clip on the timeline. Using this option you can make a normal clip in either slow motion or you can make it faster. Select the clip which you want and right click on that and you will have an option called as change clip speed. Click on that and here you can see that by default the speed will be 100%. It is the normal speed. If you want to make it faster, what we need to do is we need to increase the speed. Here you can see that I have increased it up to 250, approximately 250, and make sure that you have selected ripple sequence. You need to select this option, ripple sequence, and after selecting that option what we need to do is we need to click on change. Now the clip duration has been reduced. It means that the video clip will play faster. Let's play it. Here you can see that the video clip speed has been increased. Now undo the change to make it a normal clip, and after that to make this clip into slow motion we need to follow the same thing. Right click on the particular clip and you need to click on change clip speed, and previously we have increased the speed. Now we need to reduce the speed. Here you can see that I have set it to 30%, approximately 30%, and make sure that you select ripple sequence and after that click on change. Here you can see that the clip speed has been reduced. Now it is flowing in slow motion. So that's it guys. In this way you can either increase the speed of the clip or reduce the speed of the clip using this clip speed option in Davinci Resolve 17. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.